gonna make a separate playlist.
Called what?
Mad things. Matter things. Or this could be the...
Mart things?
This could be the starting of the
Mart things playlist.
This could be starting of the cinematic...
The cinematic universe.
No.
Mart.
This could be the start of the cinematic masterpiece universe of the Pissing Off Matt saga.
Okay, no, I don't want to be part of that. Fucking get us. He's gonna get us. Move forward. Fucking do that. No more. Oh no, you're gonna make me crash into the idiot. Look, it's all wet from my fucking lotion too. You made me do. Look at that, it's all fucking wet. Let's go, buddy. Let's fucking go. Yo. We're gonna get killed. We're gonna get killed here. We're gonna get fucking killed, bro. What am I gonna do, bro? I'm gonna fucking knife. Stop. No. Fucking going over here so they don't do that.
So they don't line up next to you?
Yeah. They don't fucking get next to me. Got what a red light with the Florida bitch and we're too bad, man.
Oh my god.
Fucking bullshit. Fucking bullshit.
Oh.
Fucking took forever. Fuck you, AutoZone.
Say it again, say it again.
Fuck you, AutoZone.
How'd you know the e-brake was up?
I felt it. I hit my arm. You wanted me to tell you?
Honestly, I was gonna tell you, but I forgot until right now.
These are the right ones, though. These are definitely the right ones. Look at that. And they say fog lights, too. I'm just a dumbass, bro.
Look at this car, he's boosted.
Dude, they thought that we were trying to scam them. They had to check the other ones to make sure they weren't broken, and one of them was.
We were just. Oh, they were? Dude, we didn't break them though.
That's what I'm saying. Nah,
no, the box looked all shitty.
It was like some loose component. He was saying like, oh, it's loose. Like, is this a problem? And he told his boss, and the boss was like, no, I don't think so. It looks all right.
We just got it right now. They don't remember us.
That's what I said. I was like, I literally just got it a few minutes ago. Like, I have the time on my receipt.
Yeah.
He was just like, ah, it's all right. Yeah, we'll just do it. And he paid me back. Dude, these are cheaper too. $75 bucks.
How much is the other one?
Like 130, bro. 120.
Dude, the wires look more ganky too.
Yeah, no.
This is where nose used to work. For those of you on stock tune, for an insane amount of pops while your car isn't moving, set the climate control to 65 to 74 degrees on it, so AC kicks in.
Yeah.
And then the car is on neutral. Now rev it around 4 grand, and the car will be like a machine gun. It says. Is that what you did last time?
Yeah.
Like, did you rev it higher though, like up to 4K?
Yeah. 4 or 5K. Stop.
I heard that. You know what that stands for right there? GDI?
Gasoline direct injection.
God damn it.
God damn it. That's what the car does.
God damn it.
No, you know what it is? This thing. It's a sound.
Yeah, I knew it was this thing right here, right?
Yeah, and then a pipe will lead off and it'll connect to this pipe right here.
God damn it, look at these Koreans. Dude, you have to take off this whole headlight just to get to the bottom of the back?
This whole fucking thing right
I know.
And I gotta take that all off to get through the fucking intake.
Genesis Coupe. Yo, this ain't no Elantra.
No fucking Elantra.
We're gonna be doing the LEDs, the reverse and then the fogs, right?
Yeah.
Can you show us the before and after?
Oh yeah, I'll get in the car.
Yeah.
See the one that's out?
Oh yeah, the other one is out.
Here we go.
Alright.
No.
We're putting, you got some nice Sylvania LEDs. Power on real quick, let's test it out. See if it lights up.
Alright. Take it out. Hold on. There you go. Can we turn it on? Don't touch the wires. It might shock you.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I almost have it. It doesn't stay in the. I do with this hand.
If your fingers ain't hurting, not putting in blood, sweat, and tears into your car.
Blood, sweat, and tears into this bitch.
Come on, I want to see some blistered. What do you call it? The callus? I want to see some blistered
callus.
Catalyst.
I want to see some catalyst. I keep losing the hole. Doesn't want to.
Come on, you're there. Come on. You're like one finger right now. You gotta like 2 finger it.
one finger there, bitch. Okay, whoa. What the fuck? Come on! Fuck! It won't get in! I have this problem all the time, it just doesn't fit.
I don't want to be fucked, but you seen that video where the guy gets stuck in the cave and he dies?
Yeah, that's what I
You look like him.
Oh, I'm caving. Currently 700 feet below ground.
The one in the Paris catacomb?
Yeah.
I think that was a very nice movie.
Come on, bitch. Hey, what are you doing?
Prevent you from locking your keys in. You probably don't have a spare, huh?
I don't.
You don't? I was fucking with you don't?
I don't think so.
What if you're faded ass because you got so like busy
You know
and
what
like
I
frustrated
do?
from this and you close your trunk?
You know what I do?
Huh?
Call it toad strong. Something.
Chill, you're gonna get zagged.
You might have to try to do that one. I can't get my fucking fat ass fingers.
Alright. I'm gonna show man how it's done. Oh wait, I'm getting a cramp in this position.
If you get both of them, I'm gonna get pissed.
Oh wait, I got it. Wait, I just gotta hold it right here. I have it locked in. I just need to lock it in. I don't have my fingers.
My fingers are too fat too.
It's like in a weird position. I can't. I'd have to fully be like. It feels locked in, but I didn't hear it click, so I'm not satisfied.
Is it pulling out? Whoa! Whoa! Wow!
See it?
Yeah.
Wow.
God damn!
What do you mean, wow?
God damn! That's beautiful.
Listen. Yeah.
Yeah, G.
Yeah, we're gonna fix that. So, next video, next mod, are you gonna get the crystal clear lens
Oh yeah.
for the Genesis, the fog lights?
Yeah.
I think they're gonna look so good, bro. Like, they look good like stock, but yeah, dude, the owner fucked up on this side. He didn't put the thing on right, so that's why the water's leaking. That's why it looked like the lens is condensated. You know what I mean? But this other side, that's what stock looks like. But I can still tell he fucked up. Look, you can see the wire right there. Look, the LED's not even in the right way too. Dude, that's why this LED doesn't even work. Dude, I think he broke part of your headlight trying to put that. Oh, he did.
What happened?
I'm not trolling.
What? He broke some of it?
Look, we're just sitting right here. Like, you see like the yellow wires popping out.
Oh, what the?
But then like when you actually look at it, look.
Yeah.
Look at the headlight. It's cracked.
The fuck?
Yay.
That's why he was gonna change it out. That's why he was gonna change it out.
Crystal clear lens.
That's not out. Let me get more water right here.
Look, your shit's all fish tank looking ass fog lights.
Ew. That's so fucking bad. Jesus Christ. Wire. Right there. Okay, ready?
Oh my
Fucking water.
Yo, I told Matt I found a really good ass deal for some authentic rare works. Huh? It's 2-piece too.
No,
Dude, 2-piece 20-inch? Ooh. Huh?
I think it's as wet, as dry as I'm gonna get it in here.
Just make sure the sockets is like where you're putting it in.
Yeah,
The
no.
connection, you know?
Yeah, it's not wet. See, it's all in here.
Plug and play. Dude, now I kind of want to check your fuse box.
Got it now. There, look, there, nope, there. There. Nope. There. There we go.
Like, give it a little tap, like, just not too hard, but give it a little tap, like when you're driving. The little stress test, if it'll come off. Yeah, that's good.
Oh yeah.
Like, if you're shaking it, you know what I mean? Like, yeah, there you go. It won't come off then when you're driving.
I'm just gonna do the other one.
Show the old one.
This is the old one. Look at that thing. Black nipple.
The other one's fucked.
Yeah, we know this one's fucked up. I mean, we don't got to do much. I got to pretend to wheel though. Bitch.
Yeah, bitch, you gotta turn it on anyways.
Oh, God, you have to turn it on anyways. Oh, it looks like you're gonna be the first one to see it.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah. It's way better. Dude. What the fuck? Look, dude, look at the one side though. Just have your fogs on, not your headlights.
Fuck, I gotta see it.
Yeah, just keep your fogs on. Look at it.
I don't think I have just the fogs. I have to have both.
Really? What is that? The bottom daytime lights?
Yeah.
It looks way wider. Look at that on the bottom.
I know it looks right. Although seems better.
What happened now? What? You have it.
Right here.
Faded.
I'll sit on it.
I even said, don't forget your keys. Oh, definitely popped. I saw you doing like the little stress test. Yeah. I saw that.
Why out when I did it?
I saw the lights still on, so.
Alright, still, let me turn it on. Turn it off.
No, you can turn it off. Yeah, I saw it on when you're driving, so I don't think it flew.
Moved. I want to see if it moved at all.
I gotta catch a glimpse of these warlocks. Let's make a move.
I gotta stay. Messed up cause I'm stuck in the lane. Messing with a 2-4-5 big toe. Man, yeah, I wanna get on me.
Can you get a really good like this for me? No, you didn't go sideways. Why are you hopping up?